Alright, we are two moms, let's cook. And today we're going to make chicken Alfredo bake. And first off, we're going to make the chicken. So we're going to pan fry it for about 10 to 12 minutes, getting it cooked up on both sides. We're going to add some avocado toast seasoning because I like it, and some herbs. And we sprayed down our pan top and on top of the chicken a little bit with some avocado oil because it's healthy and tastes good.
Now we're going to boil the noodles to about 9 to 10 minutes. We're going to add salt into the water. Now we're going to check on the chicken.
Alright, so the chicken is pretty much done when it's got a golden brown color to it, and we're going to check it with our meat thermometer and make sure that it's about 165 or more degrees. And we are at 171, so we are good. The chicken is cooked. So we're about done with the pasta. We're going to give it one more minute, and then I'm going to take one noodle out and taste it, make sure that it's good and it's not too crunchy.
Now we are going to strain the noodles. Ooh. Now we're going to spray some oil into the pan, and we're going to dump the noodles in.
Alright, we're going to use a jar of Bertolli Italian Alfredo sauce and dump it in.
Now we're stirring it in.
And then we're going to add our chicken.
We're going to add the mozzarella cheese on
Put a
top.
good coating on top.
It looks good.
Next, we're going to put a top of crescent roll dough. We are going to use a butter spread that we're just going to use some melted butter. And then we have a little bit of garlic powder we'll sprinkle on. And we're going to sprinkle on a little bit of parsley. And then bake it in the oven for about 15 minutes to get a nice crisp.